Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel AIMS Tech Squad. I am Nisar Gurezi. Today we are going to discuss about Python basics. Okay, I must tell you watch our previous videos to know how to install the Python so that you can easily access it. Okay, let me tell you first. Go in your application section and open Anaconda, and in Anaconda you can open the spider. Okay, in Anaconda you can open the spider, and here now let's start. Okay, create a new file and start typing code over here. Okay, now let's see how we are going to write a simple program of printing the hello world in the Python programming. Print hello world. This is the thing we have to write hello world in double quotes. Okay, and let me execute this. Here you can see this. This is the execution. We can do execution over here. Okay, I'll click it, and you can see over here hello world is printed over here. Okay, this this shows how much easy Python programming is. Like, we don't need to worry about anything else. Only we have to write the print statement and we are getting the output. If I want to print something else, I'll say print hello, I am Nisar Gurezi. Okay, let me execute this. Okay, you can see hello, I am Nisar Gurezi printed over here. These are the simple print statements how we are going to write in the Python. Print hello again. Okay, see, all the three lines are printed. And one more interesting thing here it is that we are not writing the backslash n or anything. Here it's automatically printed in the next line. Every time when I'm writing the code, it's printing in next line. uh, I don't have to mention the new line statement. Simply it will print it. No need of mentioning whether print in next line or not. Automatically it's going to print hello. Okay, see, it's automatically printing in the next line. So this is the feature of the Python. You don't need to say anything. Automatically it will do. Okay, now let me tell you, if I want to comment something, if I don't want to print hello world and I want to print rest of the things, I'll simply say hash. By writing this statement will not be printed and the rest statements will be printed. See here, hello, I am Nisar Gurezi is printed, hello world is not printed. And if I want to comment this thing also, so same thing I have to do. I have to write hash and see hello again, and hello is printed. Now if I don't want to print the whole all these statements, at that time what I have to do is, either I have to write three times at the starting, either I have to write three times single quotes and then close with single quotes three times. Okay, or I can use three times double quotes and close with three times double quotes. Okay, that's it. Now let's see, is it going to work or not. Print hi. Okay, execute it. See, only hi is printed. Okay, nothing else is printed over here because rest of the things I have commented. Okay, let me show you again. Hi, only hi is printed, rest of the things are not printed. Okay, now let's go ahead. Let's see about variables. As you know about what are variables, let me tell you something about variables. Variables are the names where we are going to store something. For example, assume it as a one bucket. That variable is a bucket inside which we can store values. Okay, like that you can assume it that variables are names in which we can store something, store in which we can store values. Let's take some variable. Let's take a as a variable and store some value 10. Then I'll say print a. Okay, see, the value of a is printed over here. Okay, I must say like this: the value of a is, okay, then I'll say the value of a is 10, value of a is printed. If I'll say b is equal to a plus 20, okay, then I'll say print b. Okay, see guys, here 30 is printed. In a we have 10 and plus 20, it is 30. Now more the important thing over here is, okay, let me assign a as string, NISSER. Then if I'll say print a, okay, see, it's gonna print Nisar. Okay, I'm not mentioning what type, I'm not mentioning the type of variable, it's automatically taking the type. Here I wrote whatever the value you will assign, that type it will that type it will be, that type of it will be. Like I am saying a is equal to 10, so it's an integer type. I am saying here a is equal to Nisar, it's a string, and string type it will be. If I want to see what type of variable a is, then I will say type of a. What type of a is, then here you can see the difference. Sorry, I have to say print type of a, print type of a. Okay, print type of a. Okay, then execute it. Then see class int, it's a integer type. Okay, now let me tell you here, let me write print, then I'll say type of a. You can see the difference over here. Okay, let me execute this and I'll see here class string, whatever value you are going to assign in that variable, that type it will occur automatically. No need to mention that it's of integer type, of it's of string type, float, double, whatever value you will assign, it will be of that type only. Okay, so let's see some operations, how we are going to do some operations in this Python. I'll say a is equal to already a is already 10 and b is also some value, b has also some value. Let's print addition, print a plus b. Okay, string. Okay, sorry, here it is it's of string type, so it can't be added over here. So let me remove this. Then I'll say print a plus b. I'll remove these two print statements, okay, so that you won't be confused. Okay, I'll say run it. See, it's 40 because in a it is 10 and in b it is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. Okay, and if I want to do any other operations, I'll say print a into, sorry, a into b. Okay, see, it's 300. 40, it's saying 30 into 10. In b we have 30 and a we have 10, so 10 into 30 is 300. Okay, now these are, now you can check all other operations how to do. Now let's see some mathematical operations, how we are gonna do mathematical operations. For example, if I'll say print a is greater than b, what it should show? It should show either true or false. It is false because a is 10 and b is 30. Is it true? No, it's false. So it is showing simply false. We don't need to write anything. Simply write the statements. It's a simple language. You don't need to worry about anything. If I'll say print is, then I'll say a is b greater than a. Okay, then let's see, yeah, is true. It is true. It is true because b is greater than a. If I'll say print a is not equal to b, okay, what it is gonna print? True, because it's also true, A is not equal to B. And if I'll say print, I'll say print, hmm, A is greater than or equal to B. Is it true? No, it's not true. It's false. Now if I'll say A is equal to 30, okay, I'll comment this one. Now here see the thing, print A is greater than B, okay. If I'll say A is greater than B, you know why it is showing warning over here? Because I have commented the A and I'm printing A here. A is nowhere, that's why it is showing that statement. Let me write over here. Let me write over here. Okay. Now if I will say A is greater than B, it will show again. Let me comment all these things so that you won't be confused. I'll say if print A is greater than B. Sorry, I don't have to comment this statement also because I'm using this statement. So what I'll do, print A is greater than B, okay, is false. Now for the same statement, if I write A is greater than or equal to B, let's see, it's again showing false. Oh, A is 30. Oh, okay, sorry, B plus, I'll say 10 plus 20. Okay, now let's see it again. I'll clear this and let's see the output. Yeah, true, it is, because A and B are equal. Okay, and let's see something. If okay, this is great. Let's see less than or equal to. For less than or equal to also it will show the same, because both the things are one and the same. I'll say this true. Okay, here it is saying true. Now these are the simple basics of like how to print the statement, and how to do addition, what's variable, and how we are going to do this mathematical operations in the Python. These are the very basics things. What I whatever I said, these are the basics things. So see how much easy it is, how much easily we are getting the things. If we'll compare this with the other language, how much, too many lines of the code we have to write there. We have to take care of so many things, like header file is main. In, let's take an example of C, you have to take care of header file is main and all, so you don't need to worry about that. And this is the console. This is console where you will get the output. Okay, you will, whatever you will write over here, and you will get output over here. And one more thing is, one more important thing, and interesting thing is, if you want to check your logic, if you have written some logic, you want to check whether it is right or wrong. You don't want to write over here, then at the end you will get your logic is wrong. You will say, oh, I wrote so many things and then it's showing wrong. Okay, if you are if you want to check the logic, let's, you can directly check over here. For example, you will say A is equal to 10, then you will say B is equal to 20. If you want to check your logic, A plus B is going to work or not, you can check in this console directly. A plus B is 30. No need of writing print statement or anything. You can directly see your result, whether your logic is right or wrong. For example, I'll say, simply I'll say sir. Okay, see, it's gonna print the value. No need of writing print statement and all. We'll say A is equal to Nisar. Okay, Nisar, okay, then I'm saying A. No need of writing printed. I will simply say A, Nisar Guri is printed. Okay, no need of writing anything else. Okay, so this is all about the basics, and we are going to discuss further about this language, and hope you you have enjoyed this video and you have understood the things. Please do like to please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks guys.